Hello, welcome to this video that demonstrates HCM Connector for JIRA and JIRA Service Desk, a plugin that integrates SAP SuccessFactors HCM system with Atlassian JIRA. This plugin is brought to you by Empyra, a global technology consulting company that is an SAP and Atlassian partner. SAP SuccessFactors is a leader in the cloud-based human capital management software, and this video will demonstrate how SAP SuccessFactors HCM system can seamlessly integrate to Atlassian JIRA, the #1 software development tool used by agile teams in JIRA Service Desk, one of the fastest growing service management and help desk tools in the world. With this plugin, Empyra is bringing the power of centralized HR and HCM processes to Atlassian products. Imagine being able to create JIRA Service Desk ticket for your support teams for every new hire. New hire is the most common scenario in any company. Almost every company that uses a ticketing tool for service management manually creates support tickets for onboarding tasks. JIRA Service Desk is a popular help desk tool used by several teams including customer support, IT help desks, facilities, legal, provisioning, marketing, finance, etc. For every new hire in SuccessFactors, this plugin creates JIRA tickets, which can then be used by various support teams for service management and delivery. It can also create issues for individuals to perform certain assigned tasks. Admins will be able to define what and how many tickets and requests they want to create in JIRA for every new hire in SAP SuccessFactors. For the sake of this demo, let's say a company has 2 support teams, for example, IT Help Desk and Facilities Management, that needs to do certain activities whenever a new employee joins the company. Also, let's say the company requires every new employee to perform 2 sets of activities. For example, performing certain onboarding tasks like filing statutory forms and reading certain materials like company policies. In this demo, we will create a new employee in SAP SuccessFactors system and see how these tickets and tasks get created for the recipients in JIRA, and then JIRA can be used to track and monitor these tasks and tickets. In the future, the plugin will also send notifications to SuccessFactors systems once the task is completed in JIRA. Let us log in to a SuccessFactors Cloud tenant using an admin account. Now we will add new employee from the Admin Center. This will start the process of creating a new employee record in SuccessFactors. In this demo, we are selecting Event Reason as New Hire. A new user is being created. We will need to complete the required information like hire date, company information, and others. Following this, identification information of this user has to be filled, and then we go to the next section. The next section is personal information. Here, the personal information of the employee will have to be entered. The following section is job information. Here, the target position, employment details like hire date and job information is entered. These are important parameters because the plugin will be able to use the data to perform sophisticated rules based on ticket creation. For example, tickets can be created for facilities management teams in JIRA based on the parameter rules. For example, issuing certain types of device for a certain cost center or job title, an iPad for sales executives, or a high-end laptop for an engineer. Similarly, the next step is defining compensation information, and then we can save the employee information. Upon save, a new employee record will be created. Now we will switch to JIRA and log in as an administrator and navigate to JIRA Administration Add-ons section. there is an Integrations setting page. Here, SuccessFactors tenant information has to be provided to connect JIRA to SAP SuccessFactors. So the information that we give is SF tenant ID, admin username, password, data center information. Currently, we support the new hire process, but in the near future, we will support other processes, and admins will get an option to choose what they would like to enable and disable. It's also possible to define what frequency one wants to get updates from SuccessFactors systems to JIRA. In this demo, we will do the sync manually. Once the integration setting is saved, the JIRA admin can test connection to verify if the configuration was correctly provided. Once satisfied, the admin can save the connection. Upon save, the SuccessFactors system will be integrated to JIRA. Activity is a high-level state that is a part of a process like new hire. A new hire process may have several tasks like activities for IT team, activities for facilities management, or activities for time recording. An administrator can set up a number of activities for a process. In this case, we are setting facilities management, defining what needs to happen in JIRA in relation to facilities management. Next, a step can be added and associated with a parent activity. There can be multiple steps for an activity. For example, with facilities management, companies may want to perform several steps, like order a business card or a new badge, etc. Next, an action can be created under a step. There can be multiple actions for a step. Actions are items that need to happen in JIRA. Actions can be defined by an action type. For example, creating a JIRA issue. Other action types could be a change of an assignee. In this case, we will create a JIRA issue, so we will have to define the destination JIRA project and issue type. Once you define the activity type, you will be shown all available JIRA fields for a given issue type in the project that's specified. You can now map these destination JIRA fields to a source field, which can be either a SuccessFactors field or a JIRA field itself. Based on this selection, destination JIRA fields will be either populated from SuccessFactors system or from hard-coded values in JIRA, add-on configuration. We are calling these source fields. Now we map SuccessFactors source fields to JIRA destination fields. Now we define the hard-coded field values to be populated in JIRA for every issue created. This is JIRA source fields. These are some values that we want to ensure is present on all JIRA issues. For example, for a sales executive, the option for equipment should show iPad. Since this information is not available in SuccessFactors, admins can define these additional JIRA source field values. Once you save, the configuration information gets collected in the Process page. You can edit and delete any of the configurations as required. Now you can view the settings done to the integration in the Integration Setting page. Any changes to the setting can be done using the Edit Setting button. The Edit button will take you to the same page as shown here. The Sync Now button will sync all new hire employee information from SuccessFactors to JIRA. It will pull information on all new hires that have not synced already for a given date. For example, if today is March 20th, 2017, and 3 employees are created on March 20th, 2017, then only those 3 employees will be synced into JIRA. The plugin only gets new hires created in SuccessFactors as it keeps a record of what was already synced. The Reset Configuration button clears all existing integration configurations. Once you click the Sync Now button, a confirmation window pops up to prevent any mistakes. Once you click Yes, data synchronization happens and SuccessFactors employee information is sent to JIRA. Here you can see a service request record created for the employee and IT desk project with field information from SFSF and JIRA configurations. This will be used by support staff using JIRA Service Desk to requisition the request. Another access request raised with employee information for Access Management Team. In total, 27 requests were created in 4 different service desk projects related to this one hire. Each ticket has information based on the configuration provided. Thank you for watching this demo. HCM Connector is connecting the best software in the HCM space with the best software of issue tracking in the world. In future, the plugin will support several new features to bring people, technology, and processes together and seamlessly integrate to provide a holistic view of these disparate systems. Some features in the product roadmap include bringing organizational structure for approvals and team management from SuccessFactors into JIRA. Other being succession management for changing assignee in JIRA in case of long-term disability and termination. There's more to come. We look forward to you using the plugin and providing us with valuable feedback.